There is a new update on dual employment. I know once dual employment created, we cannot delete the member ID. You cannot modify your start date or end date in the PF portal. As well as in your relief letter also, your previous or current organization, if they terminated or if you absconded, they cannot modify your start date and end date both in your relieving letter or absconding letter or termination letter as well as relieving letter. Okay. There is a alternative suggestions I am giving for dual employment cases. Okay. And there is a new update in this month. And apart from these tricks, there is no alternative tricks. If you try any other direction, you will face background verification failed status. Okay. If you want, you can approach to me. Once done your consulting fee, we will discuss further. Okay. While sending email to me, you need crystal clear information. Okay. Please help me for that. Definitely, I will give you the alternative suggestions for dual employment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.